still I am not fluent in English language as my daughter. And today I will make some sentence.
The word keep.
The word keep.
Yes.
Here is a little English trainer. She will correct me if I make mistake. Okay? And if she will make mistake, comment me in comment section below. I will use the word keep. Okay. I keep.
I keep the bottle.
Do I keep?
Do I keep the bottle?
No, I don't keep.
No, I don't keep the bottle.
I kept.
Not kept. Kept. Yes.
I kept.
I kept the bottle.
Did I keep?
Did I keep the bottle?
I didn't keep.
I did not keep the bottle.
I will keep.
I will keep the bottle.
Will I keep?
Will I keep the bottle?
I won't.
I won't keep the bottle.
I am keeping.
I am keeping the bottle.
Am I keeping?
Am I keeping the bottle?
I am not keeping.
I'm not keeping the bottle.
I was keeping.
I was keeping the bottle.
Was I keeping?
Was I keeping the bottle?
I was not keeping.
I was not keeping the bottle.
So friend, I made some simple sentence using the word keep. English is not a difficult language. We are making it difficult, right? We are thinking it is a subject. We are not thinking it is a language. So consider it is a language. Don't consider it as a subject. So that you can learn English language very easy way.
Not a very easy way. Using a very easy way.
Okay, using a very easy way. Still I am learning, but I can speak in English and I can talk in English with people. She is very fluent in English language. So I want to be fluent as my daughter. That's why I'm learning English so that I can talk to her like her. And thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more video like this, so subscribe my channel.
Bye.